So today's 2020 August 12th, right? And this is Jack. So welcome to my webinar, and I'm going to cover basically all the major markets, right? So quickly update: the gold has made a reversal from 2073. Okay, this is always happening because after a long rally, there will always be some profit takers. Okay, and after the non-farm payroll, the daily chart it actually forms an inside bar. Okay, so here you can see how powerful the inside bar is, right? So if anyone trade this inside bar sell, actually you will win a lot of money. Okay, so some people ask me whether the gold has changed the direction or not. Okay, for me, I think the gold is still in a uptrend channel, right? So this is remains no change, okay? Because there's definitely the uptrend is still there, and the weekly chart shows some bearish pattern, but it's not yet broken trend line. In the monthly chart, the gold is still above 1,900. It's just the volatility is too high, so people will be suffered from this huge pull back. Some people will be very panic if they don't have stop loss, if they over trade their lot size. Okay, so monthly chart you can see here. If I use the previous high 1919 as a reference, okay, you can see the monthly chart, the gold is still okay, still maintain outside, and this just tells me the gold may still have some bullish momentum, right, in the future, but it may take some time. Okay, so personally I feel the gold may have some consolidation first. Okay, it will stop the rally like the last 2 weeks. Okay, so this kind of rally, right, is gone, no more. Okay, so it actually comes to in this consolidation situation whereby the high is about 2020, and the low is today's low at 1862. Okay, about here. Okay, so I think the gold will start to sideways a little bit. Okay, and then it will form directions, either makes a top or makes another new high. All right, any questions? No, if no question, I will just go to the small time frame. Okay, so 4-hour chart, what we have is this is a very strong candle that I recognize as a very significant candle, right? So before that, the gold is in a very bearish momentum in 4-hour chart. It just dropped about $200, okay, from 2030 to 1867, right? It drops a lot, and the momentum shows very bearish. However, after this candle, this engulfing candle shows, and they stopped their sellers to selling even lower, and I think some sellers are taking profits, taking quick profit, right? And you can see in 15-minute charts from today's Euro session, okay, the gold performs a very strong bullish wave. Okay, so this tells me a lot of buyers are consolidating in the 1890 in this area. Okay, so if the price could give this place another chance, what I think is you should actually make use of this and to buy from 1900. Okay, 1900 is a perfect place for you to catch the gold spy again. Okay, and let me just show you some of trade that I do today. By the way, can you hear me? Because nobody is interacting with me. Okay, you can show, right? Okay, you can see the picture, right? Okay, good. Okay, so this is some trade I took today. Okay, just for today. So I can let me just share on the black and white today, so you can see more clear. Okay, so this is the gold buy trade I took today, this afternoon. Okay, in the Europe session. So you can see here after this inside bar breaks up. Okay, the gold actually forms a reversal pattern. Okay, something like a head and shoulder. Okay, looks like a head and shoulder. Okay, so I start to buy gold from 1880. Okay, and then I enjoyed a very strong bullish move. Okay, from 1880 to 1940. Okay, unable to see. Oh, have to bring your other screen. All right, so hold on. Let me readjust it. Okay. Oh yeah, I think I need to choose to the part of my screen. Okay, here you can see, right? Okay, good. Okay. Yeah, so these are the 1, 2, 3 trades I took today after a very strong bearish move. And the moment I saw this, okay, you can see this is a special reversal patterns, okay, and I try to buy after this inside bar breaks up, and I bought from here and here, okay. I add two. So basically, I trade 3 lots, okay, and the first one give me a 600 return, second one give me a 650, the last one gave me a 3,400 return, which is this one, okay. You can see here I hold the last trade position all the way to this high. Okay, in fact, I could actually go for even higher, okay, but if I measure the risk and the ratio, this trade has already given me almost 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, almost 5 times reward and risk ratio. So I think this could be enough for me. And it also hit the previous structure like here. Okay, so I actually took all of the profit here. So just to buy today, the total profit I made is about 9K, okay, just from gold, okay, purely from gold. So I withdrew 24,000 cash today, yeah. Okay, so I think I'm going to wait for another buying opportunity for gold. Basically, so please keep an eye on the 1922 level, okay? Because this one has a strong pin bar here, and now the price is trying to consolidate within this area, okay? So I think after the consolidation, okay, if the price can give me another touch, I will go, possibly I will going for this buy again, and my stop loss was just below this pin, okay, so 1915. Okay, so this could be a very good plan for you to buy gold again. Okay, and some people ask, oh, can we buy silver? And I think silver is okay to buy also, okay, because the silver has already pulled back to where it starts the bullish trend here. This is the last bullish move, okay, it pulled back to the same place. So as long as 23 is hold, I will be still bullish on silver, okay. So 23 is a very important supporting level here, okay. Trying to buy some silver and aim 28, okay, because here have some structural resistance here, right? So you can consider to buy the low and sell the high at 28, buy the low from 23. So one in 4-hour chart, yeah, the silver also formed a strong engulfing candle plus an inside bar, right? So I think it will be good to trade this inside bar because inside the bar after engulfing candle just tells me it will go up, right? So you can make use this inside bar to pick your trade, right? Okay, cool. Let's go for some other products. Maybe we're going to see dollar index first, okay? So after 2 weeks, dollar index falling, and we see some bullish sentiment here. Okay? So you can see 4-hour chart. In daily chart, the dollar index actually heading is being restricting at this zone, okay, from 94 to 92. And in 4-hour chart, it just touched the 89 EMA here, and it shows very strong reversal again. So I think this is good for us to sell more dollar from high here, and that's why I put my post in euro dollar. I think it's okay to buy euro again from 1.17 here. Okay, as I said here, this bad pattern, right? So the 89 EMA nicely touched. The structure hold well, okay, 1.171317, okay. So I think the euro will go up again to 1.18 or 1.20. So buy the euro. Sterling is actually waiting for this 8 EMA, 89 EMA to cover. It actually shows the same pattern here. So you can also consider to buy sterling from 1.2980. Okay, this is still okay to buy because if you use my strategy that I shared before, okay, so whenever you see a 8 EMA that is the first EMA goes super higher, and after consolidation, the 89 EMA catches up, okay, and the 2 EMA comes in a very small, tiny zone here. It just means another expansion is coming, okay. So the trend goes up, okay. 8 EMA actually leading first, okay. Expansion, compression, and another expansion is coming. So you can still consider to buy some sterling from here, right? Stop loss is below 1.2940. That will give you a very safe place for you to put your stop loss. Okay, for Aussie dollar, it shows a very good patterns here. Okay, this is a very good patterns here. Okay, a Gardy pattern. So this tells me to buy the Aussie from 0.7115, and you can actually make use of this Gardy pattern to long Aussie. And the price action is good inside bar breaks up, so buy Aussie from here. Kiwi didn't really drop a lot, so still can buy Kiwi from this level 0.65. Kiwi also shows a very good patterns. Harmonic pattern shows here and inside the bar. And I think one of my students just observed this inside bar breaks up, okay, which is good. And I said, go for it, right? It actually makes money. So you can buy Kiwi, buy Euro, buy sterling, buy Aussie. The only problem is dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen rallied too much. Okay, it's very weird because dollar index is going down, but the yen is still weaker than the dollar. Okay, so dollar yen goes up. Okay, but I don't think we can long dollar yen because some resistance here at 106. Maybe the dollar yen will fall from here. Okay, just don't buy dollar yen. Okay, don't buy dollar yen. You may have some resistance. For the oil, okay. I think oil last week, I think I said after this trend is channel is broken, we can consider to buy the oil, okay. And the pullback really comes at here 41, okay. The structure is here, so it's very nice trade of the structural breakout and the pullback, okay. So we can still buy the oil from 41.50. And it shows a nice inside the bar here. So a lot of inside the bar shows recently. Okay, so this is a good reversal patterns here. You should actually capture this inside bar breaks up to enjoy the rally of the oil. Okay, so weekly chart, weekly chart oil is still targeting, I think, 49. Okay, 49 will be the 40, 48. Yeah, I think there will be still some room for the oil to rally. So just pay attention to those pullback plays to buy the oil and make use of this trend line as well. So as long as the oil is within the trend line, try to buy. Okay, buy the low. Okay, buy the low. And for Bitcoin, Bitcoin gives the 2618 trade, which I said we can use this 618 level. So I think 11107 will be a very good place to buy the Bitcoin if you use apply this 2618 trade here. Okay, so double bottoms followed by 618. So 11107 is okay to buy the Bitcoin, and the pin bar shows here reversal patterns comes. And I think the Bitcoin still can hold to 12,000, right? Last is the S&P. S&P is still strong, okay, very strong. It shows some, yesterday it drops a lot of the S&P, but now you can see it covers very, very, very fast, okay? A super long pin comes here, but the weekly chart I think the S&P may breaks all-time high. Okay, yeah, already broke high. So the S&P don't short, still should hold your buy from last webinar. I said we can buy from here. Okay, you can buy from this structure. You can buy from this pullback. Okay, so S&P still strong. Do not short. Wait if you show some bearish pattern likes. I'm still waiting for this channel to be violated. Okay, so this channel is being carried for about 2 months. Okay, maybe just like before, it's just a continue rally, and then our our acceleration happens and forms a top, and then all the way boom, it's like this. So be careful of these patterns. Okay, can you do very quick sterling yen? Sure. Sterling yen is strong, as I said. So remember, we have our sterling yen we bought sterling yen from here. Okay, at 133. Yeah, this double bottoms, right? So it come now is 139. Already win 600 pips. It looks like it's going to break this 139.70. So weekly chart, the sterling yen is super bullish, and it may just follow former new double bottoms, and this could be a new trend neckline, and the sterling yen may goes all the way to 145. Yeah. Okay, so try to buy some sterling yen. Okay, use the method that I teach. You can use the pullback, you can use the structure, you can use the inside the bar, right? Yeah, like this. You can use the structure to buy the sterling yen. It's okay. Also like this, very good structure, breakout and retest. Okay. So sterling yen is still good to buy and hold. Right. Same for the Canadian yen. The Canadian yen rallies very well. Okay. Yeah. So in my last webinar, I said this place is okay to buy the Canadian yen, and you can feel the power of the structure pullback and and go. Okay, Canadian yen now all the way to 83. Okay, aim 83 for Canadian yen. It still have some 300 pips move. Okay, it's up to you whether you want to take the money to your pocket. So just go find some bullish patterns to kick in your trade. Okay, so once you have this long-term target, and you know that the trend is in your favor, and you need just to spot those patterns like like trend line broken, okay, like the structure breakout, like inside bar here. There will be yeah, inside bar here, like the structure was broken and retest. Okay, so all the way just find your favorite patterns to go for to join the trend, and then you will be okay to get the money. Gold 4 hour inside the bar. Yes, I agree. So yeah, so maybe the gold after the 4 hour inside bar breaks up, you can still buy the gold again. Okay, and I will think to the 4 hour chart, the gold's target is 2,000. Okay, 2,000 will be my first target. Okay, yes. Okay, 4 hour inside bar breaks up. So aim 2,000. Okay, here maybe 2020. I'm still thinking the gold will just cover all this place because this is a quick sell. So there will be insufficient supply orders planned there, and it will be very easy for the bulls to push the price back to 2,000. Okay. Let's go for the Ethereum. Ethereum also good to buy from 360. This pink bar just tells you people are buying from here. And be careful, the Ethereum is going to form this triangle. Okay, and if the triangle is broken, okay, go for it. Okay, go for it. All right, so I think I've covered all the markets basically. Well, today is Wednesday, so you can see the dollar index already starts falling again. So try to hold your dollar or your major pairs. Okay, hold your position. Okay, and try to create some new position. I don't think this is double bottom. So once this trend line was broken, it will just accelerate to a new low. So dollar index still very, very bearish. Right. And good news is my my website has been fixed. Okay, so you can still you can go to browse my website again. And for all the new students, if you want to know more about my course, okay, you can go to harmonicasia.com, right? And I'm still offering the full content English course of trading. Okay, and you know what I'm teaching. Okay, I'm teaching how to participate with this market and try to earn money. Okay, professionally, right? Just like me, okay? Like today, I earned 9K, okay, 9,000 US dollar. Just and I withdraw all my cash, 24,000 US dollar. And I think in the last months, I have withdrawn more than 100,000, okay, in last months. Okay, so this is a very good work for me. I think, yeah, I think people should actually learn how to trade professionally and to win more profit like this. Okay, to just trade what you see. Okay, plan your trade and trade your pen. Okay, trade what you see. You see your inside bar, you see your engulfing candle, you see your trend line broken. Okay, you see your structure broken and retest. Whatever patterns that I teach can give you this insight to beat the market. All right. Okay, so for more videos, you can go to my youtube.com /Projack. You can find all my recordings here. Okay, and same for today. I'm going to upload the videos to this channel. Okay, and welcome to send me a message from this video replies. Okay, I will try to reply you all. Okay. Okay, so in this market, still very good to very important to follow your follow your trading plan and follow your trading rules. Okay, because after all, uh, what happens to the after all, if the market goes very crazy, okay, you may lose all your capital because just one of the trade you forget to set a stop loss. Okay, imagine the people who bought from here and never stop loss, you just to be killed because this market drops too much. Okay, drops too much. Okay, so remember the trading rules. Okay, never risk all your money into one trade. Remember the 2% rule. Okay, plus trading plan, plus the good execution. Okay, to get 2-to-1 reward and risk ratio. Okay, I'll make use of what I teach. Okay, like structure. Okay, Fibonacci. Okay, harmonic patterns, inside bars, pin bar, wedge, triangle, whatever. Okay, so just trade what you see and follow these rules. You'll be okay. All right, good. So thank you for coming, and that's all for today. I'll see you soon. Yeah, bye.